What if I told you there's a place where money grows not on trees, but on companies? A place where you can own a piece of Apple, Google, or Tesla with just a few dollars? Welcome to the world of the stock market, where smart decisions can build fortunes and one mistake can cost it all. Hey everyone, welcome back to Invest Vision Hub. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in the world, the stock market. Don't worry if you're new. I'll break it down in the simplest way possible, so by the end of this video, you'll finally understand how the stock market really works. Think of a company like a big pizza. When it needs money to grow, it cuts itself into small slices called shares. Each slice is sold to investors and people like you and me. When you buy a share, you actually own a small piece of that company. Now, these shares are bought and sold on a platform called the stock market. Just like an online store, but for companies. The price of each share goes up or down depending on how much people want it. If more people want to buy, the price rises. If more want to sell, the price falls. Simple supply and demand. People invest in the stock market because it helps their money grow over time. For example, if you bought $1,000 of Apple stock 10 years ago, it could be worth several times that amount today. But remember, it's not always smooth sailing. The stock market is like a roller coaster, thrilling but unpredictable. You can earn great profits, but you can also lose money if you're not careful. That's why smart investors research before buying and never invest all their money in one company. So, how can you start? Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or ETRADE make it easy. Step 2. Learn the basics. Understand what you're investing in. Step 3. Start small and think long-term. The goal isn't to get rich quick. It's to grow wealth slowly and safely. Here's the secret. Time is your best friend in the stock market. Even small investments can turn into big amounts if you stay patient. So, the next time you hear someone talking about the stock market, remember, it's not some mysterious casino. It's a place where businesses grow, people invest, and wealth is built over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. What's the first company you'd invest in? Let's build your